Bula vinaka everybody. Welcome to another beautiful day, another beautiful vlog. It's me Pate here at our thing with your drive in Germany, Fichtaf, Germany. So guys, today's vlog is just an update of what we've been doing so far. Then there's any on-screen update. Vlongo warta ko lang na was a have tuko what I can a chilling Saturday, end of another busy week of work. Not working in the house, yeah, little bit working in the house of work, and yeah, hanging out with a friend, Fijian friend's daughter, who will be spending weekend here with us. Yeah, hope you will like the vlog today. Don't forget to thank you for this vlog, like, share and subscribe. Tosu boys. Yeah, so first update. So the gravel which I've been bringing from the front of the house around and then here, filling this place. So this is where we will put up a little shed. Dona valele laike, dona rumu me stok tukina nambuka vaya. Batungo na kanihita, stok tena kona nambuka. Ono kevengo na tuba batu teki mai. Me floa batu ngo sa otsingo ngo langere sa rem teki otsi wana misini otsingo sa nangai sopa nikina na nuku me mix simende sa ngai tuvendela na batu ike. Here will come our outdoor kitchen. It will come here, and that will be a surprise vlog. Here now this soil, many of you would be wondering, hey, why the pile of soil is here and there. So this soil was brought from the front. So I'll show you guys what the boys or Papa, and big shout out to Rudy, a friend from church, and your family. Thank you, Rudy, for lending a big hand. So Rudy, guys, he's the best, best friend of mine. He plays bass guitar in church, and yeah, we always chat a lot, and good friend and so humble guy. So I was just talking with him one day, and then I wanted him to come and just give us ideas of, because he's very good. He was the main carpenter in building our church, the church where Connie and I goes to. And some of the videos you would see that church, I was singing inside the church. So that's Rudy is one of the main key men there. Yeah, so I was asking, hey, can you come and help with the ideas in Spactal or something? And then he said he's not a big fan of Spactal. He can do it, but he's not a big fan. But anything to do with terrace and garden, that's his trade, that's his passion. And then, oh, so you can come and do my garden and terrace and driveway? He said, yeah, when you need help. And then he just came like a few days ago just to see, and then we were surprised. The same week, he said, I'll bring the baga, I'll bring the big truck to dig the soil, put it in the truck, and then pour it here. So I'll show you a photo of what the garden which he recommend us to do. Yeah, I will show you, like, yeah, on the top. Yeah, so this is this soil. The boys was working today, Papa and Rudy, big job. Yeah, so I was feeling this in the last few days. Here, so trying to flatten this place. This is our terrace, potsi separanda, you call it in Fijian. And yeah, all this soil will be buried here. So the plan you saw in the picture which I just showed you, it's like here will come steps and then you have to go up, so the garden will be higher. So while you're sitting on the veranda, the garden is higher. Yeah. And also here, this is what I've been doing in the last few days, but cannot vlog it. You cannot vlog and work at the same time. Yeah, so the digger was here working. You would see it on the thumbnail of this vlog that yeah, they were digging here so that later we'll fill this area up. Yeah. So na tuwa pa tu take me bunongo na vendo tombra na kapak leleke. We can park the car ke vena be senikau. Yeah, this will be the entrance. See how big it is. Massive, so wide. Yeah, so big shout out to Rudy Naka brother for passing by to lend her hand. Yeah, so this is in front of the garage, and it was a problem because the septic tank, you can see the septic tank was low, so we have to buy this new to extend it to make it higher. So they did this today. They plastered it, then they put it higher. Yeah, there. Boy, big job. Cannot believe they did this today, man. I was 8 hours working at the restaurant, and then I was so busy, and I wanted to finish early to come and help, but I came at 3, started 7 in the morning, came at 3, and then they still working, and I was managed to help a little bit here. Yo, Katsi. Now let's go and have some ice cream with Connie, Fiona, and Romy. Toso boys. Wait, guys. Before we go and enjoy ice cream, surprise. 1, 2, 3. Do. Tuck. Guys, just imagine last week I was telling you guys about the story behind our kitchen. Thank you for your prayers, your support, your love, commenting. Man, it's just amazing how God works, man. But imagine 1 year, 2 months in Germany. That how long it takes this kitchen to come after we ordered it. Finally. Yeah. Murna heater. You can control the heater up, down, motion. There. Now it's going down. Stop. Up again. On the light. On the bottom light. Off the bottom light. Yeah. So this is our kitchen. It's not yet done, but I just wanted to show you guys because the guy who was working here just left. Dishwasher will come here, the sink will come here, cooking area is here. Above this, what's this? Microwave. baking oven, coffee machine, microwave here. This is the fridge. Look. And these are all drawers. Extra place to put LED lights or flowers or small candles. Yeah. Here will come LED lights at the bottom here. And also a bar table here, like extension, and 2 bar seats here, like long high seat. Here, yeah, dotela na serang kana kona. Boy, sayang na wawa. Wawa rangone ni wawa chiko. Let God decide. God's timing is always the best. Zinani is so stressful, but God's timing is always the best. Let's go! Toso boys, ice cream time! Romy, come, let's go. We go. Toso, ice cream. Zanella. We go eat ice cream. Come. Guys, someone just came back from dog school. Playing and learning some command. So she's so tired. Romy, come, ice cream. We go eat ice cream. You want ice cream? Eh? We go. Romy, we go. Have some ice cream. You, Fiona, me, Connie. Come. We go. Romy, we go. Romy. We go. So now we are going to enjoy some ice cream at the lake in Sassenberg. Let's go. Totoo tungonan raki ni kuah. Persobul kawal na degrees. Pakame matay ni singa ni sama ni kuah. Kata-kata sarangan raki. Harus temu babes tu ngakin. Babes flip flop. Toso boys.
Here. What do you want to say, huh? Yes.
Say Bula.
No, Bula. We are deciding what we will say and what we will do. You are just our.
But say Bula mandaya.
Just our bodyguard.
So these
two
carry
girls, our bags.
These 2 girls, they are saying they have to plan everything. So
Yeah.
I'll be like I'm the chief guest.
Commentator.
You are the one who's carrying our bags.
I don't even have any bags.
Yeah, then because I will have the wallet, so I decide which ice cream.
I also have
Fiona 1 scoop, Connie 1 scoop. I take 2 scoops.
You nothing. You can if there is nothing. If there's something left over, you can have it.
It's okay. I'll go home and make that curry
Curries for tomorrow.
and chili from Maureen. Kandua.
don't make the same mistakes as the others.
Oh, because they are weak. We are Fijians, we like spicy.
Ist das kompliziert, wenn deine Mama das macht?
Mai, Rami, come. Guys, me and my favorite ice cream, tuba chocolate with mango. Let's go. Yo guys, we just finished enjoying our ice cream. So sad we cannot go down to the beach with Romy. Romy, madawa sarangan na style ke? Aida? Romy, tukuna. Madawa nam tu style. Yeah, so dogs or animals are not allowed down there at the beach because that's where people are enjoying picnic, swimming, you know. But it's okay, we understand it. There you can see don't mind the rubbish, but this is how they do it in Germany. You will hardly see people putting rubbish, littering. So they will put their rubbish properly. When it's full, they'll just make it stand there beside. Yeah, so that's the rules or the law here in Velkmatsi. So I'm just chilling with Romy, waiting for Connie and Fiona. They want to walk on the beach. And then, Romy, what's the next plan? Oh, we have to go home. There's curry waiting for us at home. Hey, Romy? Hey, Romy? So today they had lunch. Curry. Roti curry, ricey. With spicy fried chilies from Morin. Morin, pinabali mo na rokete. So I'll go home and smack it. Romy, corre, ambula, 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 ambula. Guys, Romy is so tired, man. Finishing from the dog's school because she played a lot with other dogs. That's why she's so tired. Guys, Connie and Fiona is down there. They are calling her. Call her! Yeah, they have to carry her, not allow her to walk on the beach. Because it's verboten, it's not allowed. Okay, let's go down. So it's not yet, the picnic is open, but it's free. Because normally they close, they put up cages here. And you have to pay like 40 euros for one season. So this is Velkmatsi.
This is our cute dog, hey?
Beautiful. So it's like they are walking in the beach in Fiji.
Yeah, you can take a video.
They said guys, the beach in Fiji is 1 million times better than this.
It depends, real. It depends where you
Yeah,
are in Fiji.
that's right. The beach in Fiji is super better than this. Okay, now we are going home. Let's go. Muna ni sama ndo oso saranga na panongo. Ono kita oso. Here guys, now it's evening again. The curry was so delicious with the chili from Morin. Thank you Morin for the chili. Malaka totokan sina na chili ni Nabwa. So yeah, Fiona had left and now we are doing our evening walk.
With this
Time check.
girly.
It's 9:30 in the evening. Fikemdo meviti sabi mama nivi wango na mbongi ni kuwa na reda vonu serara masarta chaman do pasarto do wala kami na sama do tsona ngona chinikandua serara male usarto sempre nen romba u china matanisi iyo tombal tagi tungango Romy ni Romy yako se 5 months Bula 5 Romy yeah tomorrow Romy will be like 5 months.
February, March, April.
And at this age she can only walk for 10 not more than 10 minutes, but we have to carry her because it's tired. She will get tired. And here, so we are living there now. We are walking this way around this big house, this big farm. That's the football place behind those trees. where I'll do my rugby training and Bronco, and then we'll get back to the house. Yeah, this is what Germans normally do in the evening, walking with their dogs. And like for big dogs, they walk. Last walk will be at 7, 8. For small dogs like us, here we have Romy. We at least, like, last walks would be 9 or 10 or 11, so that she can sleep till 6, 7 in the morning.
So guys, and we weighed her today. So she increased her weight. So now she is almost 3.7 kilos. So I think 1 week before.
Yeah, 1 week
she
before,
was
3.1.
Yeah. So happy because she's not eating that good.
Yeah.
But it's nice to see that, like, she's increasing her weight. But she's also growing super
Bakandua,
fast.
yeah. Not fat, but growing taller and yeah. Okay, let's go Tosu, boys. Yeah, guys, so this place beside our house, which is our house is on that corner there. So this is where they do competitions for horse riding, and you can see there the bars where they ride the horse and then jump over. So this is like one of the last place where they did the competition, horse riding competition, before the Olympic last year. And then Germany won few goals in horse riding. And the person who won gold is from here in Warendorf, just 8 kilometers from us. Kando. So I remember last time when I came, like, I came by bicycle from Sassenberg when we were still living with Connie's parents and building our house here. And then I came here, this like was so full of horses, and here is just, this is a farm, but it's just all caravan with a horse hanger, like all this farm here. Big competition was happening here. Yeah, something sport which Germany is really famous in the Olympic, winning gold medals. So now we are walking straight to the football field, which is in front there. I'll show you this. Toso. Yeah, so this is the football place, football ground, like 65-meter, where I normally do my rugby training, kicking and stuff. Bronco, just near from home, like 3 minutes walk. Cut. Here guys, our neighborhood here, this side of the village. So Warendorf, Fichtdorf is a village, like Spargel village. We just have a little town, it's not a city. So this side, it's like old houses. This is the new neighborhood. It was like a farm before. And yeah. So this house here, which I will show you, this one. Yeah. So that white house there in the middle. I'm happy to have an African friend there from Nigeria. When in Nigeria, tarabalichukika, watske chamantel. IT, kenanda ukona nurtu IT libuna company na Lidl. Aldi supermarket in Germany or in Europe. He's the IT guy.